Welcome. Today, we're diving into a fascinating new study that explores the hidden connection between your heart and your brain. Recent research led by Xia Zhang at the Max Planck Institute for Human Cognitive and Brain Sciences reveals that even minor heart issues can impact cognitive function, especially memory. This isn't just about heart attacks or severe heart failure. Subtle changes in heart health may quietly affect how our brains work over time. Let's walk through what the scientists discovered, why it matters, and how it could change the way we think about both heart and brain health. Research team tracked 73 patients from the Leipzig Heart Study over 3.5 years. Their goal was to see if minor cardiac dysfunction, problems not severe enough to be called heart failure, could predict changes in the brain. What they found was eye-opening. Even these subtle heart issues were linked to microscopic tissue damage in brain regions connected to Alzheimer's disease. This means that heart health and brain health are more closely tied than we might have thought, even before any obvious symptoms appear. One of the most important findings was that minor heart dysfunction could predict microscopic tissue degradation in the brain. These changes are so small that current imaging methods can't detect them, yet they occur in areas of the brain closely linked to memory and Alzheimer's disease. This discovery opens up new possibilities for early detection and intervention, potentially helping people before memory problems become severe. Study found that the tissue damage in the brain explained why people with minor heart problems often had worse long-term memory performance. This means that even if someone doesn't have full-blown heart failure, their heart health could still be quietly affecting their ability to remember things. It's a reminder that our bodies are deeply interconnected, and small changes in one system can ripple out to others. Tracking the brain's microstructural integrity may become a valuable tool for doctors. Right now, most imaging methods can't spot these tiny changes in the brain caused by heart issues, but with new research, clinicians might soon be able to identify patients at risk for cognitive decline much earlier. This could lead to better prevention and treatment strategies for both heart and brain health. Researchers plan to go even further by incorporating specific biomarkers in the brain. Their ultimate goal is to map exactly how heart-related changes in the brain overlap with early mechanisms of dementia. This could help us understand not just who is at risk, but also how to intervene before serious problems develop. It's a promising step toward personalized medicine for both heart and brain health. Study highlights the importance of neurology in understanding heart disease. Traditionally, heart and brain health have been treated as separate fields, but as we learn more about how the two are connected, it becomes clear that a holistic approach is needed. Neurologists and cardiologists working together could lead to better outcomes for patients, especially as we age. Looking ahead, the research team's work could pave the way for new diagnostic tools and treatments. By understanding the early signs of brain changes linked to heart health, doctors may be able to offer interventions that protect both memory and cardiovascular function. This is especially important as populations age and the risk of both heart disease and dementia rises. In summary, this groundbreaking study reminds us that caring for our hearts isn't just about preventing heart attacks, it's also about protecting our minds. Even minor heart issues can have a big impact on brain health and memory. As science advances, we may soon have better ways to detect and treat these changes early. So keep an eye on your heart health. It could be the key to a sharper mind for years to come.